So this is lesson 28, and the same speed we use for lesson 27, which is 80 BPM, we are using it. Now we are coming down from top to bottom. So if you've practiced lesson 27 rather, this shouldn't be difficult for you at all. Now lesson 29 will be going up and coming down. It will be an addition of both, and that exercise is the most important exercise for hand independence. Go up, come down. You should do that like 20 times every day. Well, let's get to that lesson before we talk about it. Yeah, thanks for watching this level. Please subscribe. See you in the next level.